This Samsung AddWash 9kg washing machine has a 1400 spin speed and 15-minute quick wash, ideal for those times you need your clothes in a hurry and don't want to sacrifice on performance. The AddWash door allows you to quickly add extra laundry at any time during the wash. Simply open the door to quickly drop in what you need. A fantastic feature if you come across a stray sock or realise you forgot to add fabric softener. This innovative technology makes laundry life that bit easier. Smart Control gives you the power to control and monitor your washing remotely, wherever you are, using the smartphone app. From here you can set up your wash including the temperature and spin speed. This means if you have a busy schedule, you can easily fit your laundry into your day and monitor the progress even when you're away from home. The digital inverter motor uses strong magnets instead of brushes to deliver superior energy efficiency, minimal noise and long-lasting performance. Because it uses high-quality components, it offers you exceptional durability, backed by a 10-year motor warranty. You can have this machine anywhere in your home without being disturbed by noise, and you won't have to worry about expensive and inconvenient repairs. With innovative technologies designed to make your laundry days that little bit easier, this Samsung AddWash washing machine will be a fantastic addition to any home.